Leo Tolstoy once said, "The two most powerful warriors are patience and time." In this yoga tutorial, we will be able to master Virabhadrasana 1, also known as Warrior 1, only when we apply patience and time. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Bring yourself up to a standing position in mountain pose. You will find the link to mountain pose tutorial up top. Take a step back with your right leg fully planting the back foot at a 45-degree angle and the front foot pointing straight forward. Deeply bend the front knee, paying attention that the distance between your feet should be apart enough that when you bend the leg, your knee is not in front of your toes. Align the front knee to your ankle, deeply bend, applying more weight to your hips. Extend your arms up to the sky with your palms together. Maintain the shoulders in line with your hips, lifting up your chest and bringing the gaze up to the sky. As you hold Warrior 1, avoid caving the front knee in. Instead, firmly maintain the knee stacked over the ankle, allowing the front thigh to offer more support. Eventually, as you feel more comfortable, bring your arms to the lower back, reaching for opposite elbow with opposite hand. Another modification is to simply bring your hands to your hips. No matter where your arms are, remember to keep your back heel grounded and your lower back lengthening in this pose. Hold this pose here for 5 long deep breaths, getting out of the pose into Tadasana, continuing your journey to Warrior 2 or Downward Facing Dog. Remember to keep your practice symmetrical, so make sure you do it on the other side as well. Keep on practicing. Namaste.